Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
There is much talk about how difficult it is to make macarons. Not so. It is possible to produce a macaron by paying no heed whatsoever to recipes and tips, but they won't look very pretty, which is one of the reasons macarons are so loved. It's not just the taste. 24 September 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Macarons are more expensive than the average sweet treat because of the costly ingredients and the time and expertise involved in making it. Almond flour and egg whites are the two main ingredients that make up a macaron. In relation to other flours, almond flour is several times more expensive. 1 April 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Aside from a few wayward crumbs, eating a macaron should be clean. Filling shouldn't squish out of the cookie, nor should it leave much residue on your teeth. The cookie's texture beneath the crust should be light, just a little chewy, and soft, but not so soft that it's mushy. 22 October 2007.
Take our lead.
Underbeating the egg whites can cause flat macarons and hollow macarons. If you're sure you're not overmixing the batter and you're still getting flat, spread out macarons, it could be because you're underbeating the egg whites. Make sure you beat them until they are really stiff. 19 January 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If your macarons don't have feet, it could be because your batter is too wet. Make sure you're using aged egg whites, more on that below, and avoid adding liquid flavoring and coloring. Most likely the reason for underdeveloped feet is because your macarons did not develop a skin before baking. 27 March 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.